In the dynamic world of project management, a plethora of tools vie for the attention of teams and individuals striving for seamless organization and efficient execution. Among these contenders, Wrike stands out as a robust and feature-rich platform. This begs the question, is Wrike the most frequently used project management tool? While pinpointing the absolute most used can be challenging due to varying survey methodologies and data availability, a closer examination of its features, user base, and market presence can shed light on its popularity and why it resonates with so many project managers. To understand Wrike's position in the project management landscape, it's crucial to first appreciate the diverse needs of project teams. Projects vary significantly in scope, complexity, and industry, demanding adaptable tools that can cater to specific workflows. Some teams prioritize task management and collaboration, while others require advanced features like resource allocation, risk assessment, and budget tracking. The most frequently used tool is likely the one that strikes a balance between comprehensive functionality and user-friendliness, appealing to a broad spectrum of users. Wrike has carved a significant niche in the project management arena by offering a versatile platform that caters to a wide range of project needs. Its strength lies in its highly customizable nature, allowing teams to tailor the tool to their specific workflows. From simple task lists and Gantt charts to complex project portfolios and resource management dashboards, Wrike offers a scalable solution that can grow with a team's evolving requirements. One of the key reasons for Wrike's popularity is its focus on enhancing team collaboration. The platform provides a centralized hub for communication, file sharing, and progress tracking, reducing the reliance on scattered emails and disparate documents. Features like real-time activity streams, in-context discussions, and collaborative editing foster a transparent and communicative environment, ensuring that all team members are on the same page. This collaborative aspect is particularly crucial for larger teams and complex projects where seamless information flow is paramount. Furthermore, Wrike's robust task management capabilities contribute significantly to its widespread adoption. Users can easily create, assign, and prioritize tasks, set deadlines, and track progress visually through various views like list view, board view, Kanban, and Gantt charts. The ability to break down large projects into manageable subtasks and dependencies ensures clarity and accountability, making it easier to monitor progress and identify potential roadblocks. Beyond basic task management, Wrike offers a suite of advanced features that cater to more sophisticated project management needs. Resource management tools allow project managers to allocate team members effectively, track their availability, and manage workload to prevent burnout. Budgeting and financial tracking features enable teams to monitor project costs, track expenses, and ensure projects stay within budget. Risk management functionalities help identify potential risks, assess their impact, and develop mitigation strategies. These advanced capabilities make Wrike a compelling choice for organizations managing complex and resource-intensive projects. Another factor contributing to Wrike's popularity is its extensive integration capabilities. It seamlessly integrates with a wide array of other business tools, including email platforms like Gmail and Outlook, calendar applications, document management systems like Google Drive and Dropbox, CRM software, and automation platforms. These integrations streamline workflows, eliminate the need for manual data entry across multiple systems, and enhance overall efficiency. For instance, integrating Wrike with a CRM system can provide valuable insights into project performance related to client accounts, while connecting it with a calendar application ensures that deadlines and milestones are easily visible.